Well, what they say about the month of March, in like a lion, out like a lamb, and we are certainly going out on a quiet note. This after some active weather at times throughout the month of March. Skies are clear now this after starting off with cloudy skies and cold temperatures. With the afternoon sun, though, we've managed to warm into the 50s, 54 currently in Springfield. The last area to finally clear out areas over toward northeast Oklahoma and southwest Missouri, but even there, skies are now mostly clear. You can see the storm system that brought all the hail to our area south of I-44. Well, that risk of severe weather has shifted into the southeast today, and we still find a pretty good line of thunderstorms cutting across South Carolina as well as southeast Georgia. Our next round of active weather complements of this feature right there. That's this week's weather whirl, a storm system that will come out in a couple of different pieces. The first piece impacting the area on Wednesday, with another piece impacting the area for late week through this upcoming weekend. Now, yesterday's storm has pushed all of the Gulf humidity back down along the coast, but it will return north over the next 24 hours, feeding north toward a surface low that will be developing up toward Nebraska and South Dakota late in the day, and that will help to fuel thunderstorms as we get into the overnight time frame Tuesday night. Now you can see how that severe weather risk extends east into our area, but this is going to be primarily after midnight and primarily well after midnight that we have that risk develop into our area. Looks like the risk for severe thunderstorms is mainly going to be west of Highway 65, and I think the mode locally in our area is mainly going to be wind. That doesn't mean that the tornado risk is zero, it's just more limited, and I think this is mainly going to be a wind event that we see move into the area towards sunrise on Wednesday. But Wednesday is a different story. Just like yesterday, I think there's going to be a lull in the action mid to late morning, and then things will flare up again, and by that point it looks like the risk will be generally east of Highway 65 afternoon through the early evening Wednesday night. And I think just like yesterday, I think the main mode of severe weather is going to be large hail. And just like overnight Tuesday night, the tornado risk isn't zero. I mean, there still will be a tornado risk, and I do expect maybe a tornado or two with the activity that we'll find Wednesday afternoon into the early evening. But again, the main severe weather risk is going to be large hail. Looking at the forecast, the hour-by-hour forecast for tonight, quiet, mostly clear skies. Looks like a partly sunny day, a windy day on Tuesday, and then as we get into Tuesday night, notice how most of the night remains quiet. That's midnight. And then look what happens after midnight. We have a line of strong to severe storms approaching from the west that will spread into western Missouri and northwest Arkansas Wednesday morning. And then afternoon on Wednesday, you can see that severe weather risk, how it's generally near and east of Highway 65. As we look at temperatures tonight, they're going to get chilly, down to about 40 for a low, with highs tomorrow generally in the mid to upper 60s, but areas to the south and west will have a better shot at getting to 70 degrees. Looks like about 69 for a high in Springfield, with wind gusts that could hit 40, possibly even top 40 miles per hour Tuesday afternoon. Highs on Wednesday, they should make it into the upper 60s to mid 70s across the area. The next storm that will impact the area late week through this upcoming weekend, I think, will generally track to our south. That's good news. It keeps the risk of severe weather primarily to our south. The bad news is we're also going to be in a favorable spot for the potential of flooding rainfall, especially northern Arkansas into south central and southeast Missouri. Notice how temperatures take a hit with that period of wet weather Thursday into the weekend. And Steve, I don't think we're done with freezing temperatures. It looks like we're setting ourselves up for a freeze Monday morning of next week.
Tomorrow night's low is higher than the final 5 days high for the day in the last of the 7-day forecast.
Yep.
All right. You ready for the question of the day?
I am.